Alright, here's a white 52-inch unknown Harbor Breeze ceiling fan here at my aunt's house here in Somerset, Kentucky. As you can tell, first off, this fan here, sorry I'm talking softly, that's my aunt's on the computer talking to somebody on the computer. I don't want to disrupt them, so a little blurry here. Oh, the camera. I think it's the lights. Here. Turn there. There we go, that's better. First off, these pull chains aren't the original pull chains. The pull chains were just round. They didn't even have a sign that said Harbor Breeze, so, yeah, I put these pull chains on to make them look even prettier, so yeah. This is I don't know the brand of this Harbor Breeze ceiling fan, but, yeah, I'll go ahead and, turn on the light. Show the fan. Oh. Alright, gotta turn the fan on now. I'll start with low. I don't know the brand of these ceiling fans. These were with my aunt's house when she first bought the house, and this is also my uncle's house too now. Anyway, but turn that to, here's low, that's medium, that's low, here's medium. Yeah, those aren't the original pull chains. That's medium. That's medium. My storage is almost full, so I may run out of memory, who knows. That's medium, here's high. That feels good. That's high. Ooh, that blows a little air. That air feels good. Down around, there's no sign that says Harbor Breeze on there, just on the pull chains. Medium, and then low. That's medium. And here's low. Turn. I'm gonna turn. Never mind. Oops. Wrong switch, sorry. Alright. Stop the fan. And there you go, and that's an idea of this white 52-inch unknown Harbor Breeze ceiling fan. Hope y'all enjoyed. Until then, that's it.